Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening TikTok while logged into the account you'll edit. This ensures changes sync. Once there, tap Profile at the bottom right to view current photos and settings. Make sure the photo you want is already in your camera roll or saved to drafts. This avoids delays when replacing media. If the image needs cropping or aspect adjustments, do that first so you won't interrupt the flow later when uploading. Next, tap Edit Profile and choose either Profile Photo or Profile Video Cover depending on what you're changing. You'll be prompted to upload from camera roll or select from drafts. Pick the saved image you prepared. Once selected, crop and reposition so faces and important details fit the frame. This matters because TikTok crops differently across views. After adjusting, confirm the change. If you're editing a cover inside a posted video, open the video edit. Finally, tap Save or Confirm and give TikTok a moment to sync the update across your profile. After saving, check your profile as a viewer would. Open your page and view the public layout to ensure the new photo appears correctly. If you don't see the change once done, try clearing the app cache or force closing and reopening TikTok. If that still fails, re-upload the image after restarting your phone. This fixes most sync and upload.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.